Once there was a cap seller who sold beautiful caps. One hot day, the cap seller was going to sell his caps in a village market. He has to cross the forest to reach the village. He was carrying a basket full of red caps on his head and going through a forest. As it was a hot day, he got tired of the heat of the sun and thought of taking a rest for a while. So he kept his basket on the ground and slept under the tree for some time. There were many monkeys on that tree. The monkeys came down one by one, took all the caps from the cap seller's basket, and then climbed on the tree. Suddenly, when the cap seller woke up, he was shocked to see his basket empty. He searched for his caps everywhere. But to his surprise, he saw the monkeys on the tree wearing them. The cap seller got very angry and sad. He had no idea how to get his caps back. When the cap seller made an angry face, to his surprise, the monkeys also made an angry face. He laughed at them, and the monkeys also laughed. He realized that the monkey was imitating him. So he thought of an idea. The cap seller took the cap and threw it on the ground. Seeing him, the monkeys did the same with their caps. The cap seller collected all the caps thrown by the monkey and put them back into his basket. He went on his way back to the village happily.